Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today is a candy corn update. A little of all. Last week I had a few people kind of laugh at me because I was talking about Teeny, the cleansed tea, and I mentioned candy corn in the same video. Okay guys, it's been a week. You see, maybe 20-25 pieces is gone. I have not eaten the candy corn in a week. But somebody pointed out the chocolate in it will go bad. It's not for long-term storage, so guess what? This will be the first jar to go. I will eat this over a period of weeks or months before the chocolate goes bad, because it does have chocolate in it. But most of my candy corn I can save. I don't have to worry about it. But let me show you. I don't sit around eating candy corn. This whole box is full of candy corn. It's the jars I took to the gathering. It's what was brought to me in the gathering. These packages are unopened, and they will preserve for a long period of time. Some of them will be vacuum sealed for further long-term storage, and some of them will go in jars as a display when Danny builds me a shelf for putting them on it. So I'm not one to eat candy corn all the time. I save it. It's a hobby, guys. I love it. Different flavors of candy corn. I'm up to 30-something flavors right now. I think that's pretty awesome. But let me show you the real reason for this update. The real reason for this candy corn update is my candy corn plant. Look at that, guys. It's getting there. I'm going to have candy corn. I'm growing candy corn. Can you believe it? Look at that. My first bloom. Life in Farmland, Jenna and Eric. Look at this. I want to see your plant. Is mine doing good? I hope so. This plant is sitting outside my front door, and this was my first bloom. I saw it this morning, and I had to do a candy corn update. I think the little vine's doing great. It hasn't just grown like crazy and went everywhere, but it's starting to put on blooms, and that's my first candy corn bloom. Jenna from Life in Farmland sent me this through the mail when she sent me a picture of them in the store on sale. And I said, I gotta have one. So she sent one. She bought one. Jenna, I want to see your plant. Mine's growing. At least it didn't die. So I think this is pretty awesome. We're growing candy corn at Deep South. So guys, let's have a little fun today. Can you think of a candy corn flavor I don't have? Search it out. Let me know. So far, 30-something flavors. Let's see how many you find, and if anybody finds a different flavor, put it in the comments below. I want to know, do I not have that type of candy corn? So, thanks from Wanda at Crazy Days and my candy corn habit. This is mini candy corn. Let's see. It's called mini candy corn and chocolate peanuts. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.